Hello guys. Welcome back to my channel, Writing Practices. Today, we are going to learn how to write an authorization letter for loan. What is an authorization letter for loan? An authorization letter for a loan is a formal document, where an individual grants permission to another party to negotiate, finalize, and execute the borrowing of money on their behalf. This letter typically specifies the loan amount, the purpose of the loan, and the representative's scope of authority, ensuring that all actions are carried out legally and according to the grantor's wishes. Here, Writing Practices will show you how to write an authorization letter for loan step by step. Check this out. First of all, you must write your full name. Under it, write your home address. When you do it, it is necessary that you include the home number, street name, city, state, and zip code. After that, write the date of the letter. This indicates when the letter was written, establishing the timeline of the authorization. For the next, you must write the recipient details. They are usually the recipient's name and institution. It is highly recommended that you address the specific individual at the bank who is involved in the loan process, ensuring the letter is directed correctly. But if you have no idea, you can directly write the bank name. And write the address of the bank by mentioning the number, street name, city, state, and zip code. Once you completed these, now you can write the subject line. It should clearly specify the purpose of the letter, in this case, authorization for handling a loan application. And now, you can open the letter with a formal salutation. Since you don't know their name, you may simply write, "Dear Sir or Madam." In the first paragraph, this is where you write introduction of self and authorization statement. Here, you can start with introducing yourself. And declare the authorization of another person, in this case is Rebecca Taylor, to handle all matters related to the loan application. While doing so, here you need to write the scope of authority clearly. Yes, detail exactly what the authorized person can do. For example, that can submit the loan application, provide necessary documents, and receive information about the loan's approval status. And here is the example of how you write them. I, James Peterson, hereby authorize Rebecca Taylor, holding identification number Colorado 987654332, to act on my behalf, in all matters pertaining to my loan application with First Community Bank. Including but not limited to submitting the loan application, providing necessary documents, and receiving information regarding the loan's approval status. It is going to be a long sentence which explains the big picture. In the second paragraph, this is the section of reason for authorization. About the circumstantial explanation, you need to explain why you cannot handle the matters personally. For example, is due to being overseas. It should justify the need for authorization. Here is the example. This authorization is granted due to my current inability to be present in person for these proceedings, as a result of overseas business commitments. After that, show your expression of trust. Highlight your trust in the person, for example in Rebecca Taylor. Ensure that the person is seen as a reliable representative. You can write something like, I have entrusted Rebecca Taylor with this responsibility, ensuring the continuation of the loan application process without delay. In the third paragraph, now you talk about documentation and verification. Write the enclosure of identification and documents. Here, you need to mention the inclusion of identification documents and other necessary paperwork that will assist in verifying the authority and processing the loan application. You can simply write, please find enclosed a copy of my identification, driver's license Colorado 123456789, Rebecca Taylor's identification for verification purposes, and any other documents required for the loan application process, as per your institution's guidelines. In the fourth paragraph, this is where you write the limitation of authorization. You need to mention the boundary of authority. It means, clarify that the authorization is confined to the loan application process, and does not extend to other banking or financial transactions. Here, you can simply write something like, I understand that this authorization allows Rebecca Taylor to act within the confines of the loan application process only, and does not extend to any other banking or financial transactions on my account or behalf. In the fourth paragraph, now you need to offer to provide additional information. By doing so, you should provide a direct invitation for the bank to contact you as the sender for any further information or clarification. This will be indicating readiness to assist in smoothing the process. You can give your phone number and email address here. For example, you may write, should there be any need for further information, clarification, or documentation, please feel free to contact me directly at 555-321-4567 or james.peterson@email.com. After giving your contact information, now you can write the closing remarks. Express your hope for the successful completion of the loan process. This will be demonstrating a positive outlook. If you have no idea what to write, you may simply copy this. I am committed to ensuring a smooth and prompt loan application process, and appreciate First Community Bank's assistance and understanding in this matter. In the last paragraph, write your appreciation for bank's service. It is highly recommended that you show gratitude towards the bank for their cooperation. This will be fostering a good relationship and understanding. For example, you may write, thank you for your attention to this authorization. I look forward to a successful completion of my loan application with First Community Bank. And finally, you can close the letter with sincerely. End the letter formally with a signature and your printed name. This will be verifying the authenticity of the authorization. So, that's how you write an authorization letter for loans step by step. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching this video. And see you soon.